Hello, I'm Sylvie from My Kitchen Creations. If you're new here, welcome. On today's episode, we'll be making a recipe from Italy. It's rich, it's gooey, it's creamy, it's smoky, and have tons of bacon or pancetta. Here are my ingredients: bacon, pasta, eggs, grated Parmesan cheese, grated pecorino Romano, and black pepper. Without further ado, let's jump right into it. Now, to a pot of boiling water, season with salt, and add in your pasta. Now go ahead and cook them until they are al dente or according to the package. We're going to start with our eggs while the pasta is cooking. We need 2 whole eggs, and 5 egg yolks. Now go in with your cheese. And black pepper. Now we are going to give this a good whisk. Just like so. Now take your bacon and we are going to cut them into 1/2-inch pieces. After cutting your bacon, go ahead and place them in a large skillet over medium heat. We are just going to cook them until they are nice and crispy. We are going to continue stirring and make sure that they're not sticking to each other and that they are cooking evenly. So our pasta is done, so we are going to reserve about 1 cup of that water. Go ahead and set this aside and go ahead and strain your pasta. So your bacon should look like this, nice and crispy. I'm going to go in and remove some of that bacon oil. I am not removing all the oil. I will be leaving some oil in this pan. I just don't want all the bacon grease. So this is how much bacon grease I have left in this. So guys, go ahead and turn off the heat and place your pasta right in here. Now grab your reserve water and slowly pour it in here. And guys, if you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Now, as always, my pasta is ready. It's time to dig in. Oh, look at this. This looks so good. Guys, this is super quick and easy to throw in together. Thank you so much for spending some time with me. I'll catch you guys later.